Fufu and light soup. Fufu, a dish older than the Ashanti kingdom that perfected it. From Kumasi, deep in the forest heart of Ghana, where the Akan people, pound cassava into something soft as a cloud. This is Sunday. This is home. To make fufu is to make music. In the villages around Kumasi, the pounding is a duet. One hand turns the dough, one arm swings the pestle, and they never miss. The elders say you can hear a good kitchen long before you smell it. What a machine can only crush, the mortar teaches to sing. Here, we keep the rhythm. Servings, 6. 25 minutes to prepare, and more than an hour of gentle cooking. 3 pounds of chicken, 1.5 pounds of tomatoes, 2 pounds of cassava, banche, 1.5 pounds of green plantain, 1 whole yellow onion, 2 ounces of ginger, 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. We begin with the fufu. Peel 2 pounds of cassava and 1.5 pounds of green plantain. Cut them into even chunks. Lower them into a large pot of water and let them boil, slowly, for 25 minutes, until a knife slides through without resistance, until they are soft. Now, the mortar. Lift the hot cassava and plantain into a heavy wooden bowl and pound rhythmically. Turn and strike. Turn and strike. The dough grows smooth, elastic. It begins to pull back against the pestle. When it is soft and seamless, shape it into 6 gentle mounds. Set the fufu aside to rest. Now the soup. Into a tall stock pot, 3 pounds of chicken, 1 whole yellow onion, 2 ounces of ginger, peeled and bruised, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Cover it and let it steam in its own juices over medium heat for 15 minutes. This is the quiet beginning of every Ashanti light soup. Now the color arrives. Add 1.5 pounds of tomatoes, whole, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, left unbroken, so its heat only whispers. Cover the pot again, and wait 10 minutes until the tomato skins begin to split and their sweetness bleeds gently into the broth. Lift out the tomatoes, the onion, the ginger, the pepper. Blend them with 4 cups of water until they are completely smooth. And then, the secret. Strain that liquid back into the broth. What passes through is silk. What stays behind is forgotten. Let the soup simmer low for 20 minutes. Watch the surface. When a thin layer of red oil rises and floats there, it is ready. Ladle the hot soup over the chicken and set a soft mound of fufu beside it. Light soup. Nkrakra. Inkrakra. Fufu was born in the forest kingdoms of West Africa, where cassava and plantain grow tall and heavy. In Ghana, it belongs above all to the Ashanti. Ashanti, the people of Kumasi, whose golden stool once held a whole empire together. Here, the pounded meal is not a side dish. It is the center of the table. The word is akan, spoken in Twi, the language of the Ashanti heartland. Fufu simply means to mash, to make soft. The soup beside it is nkwan. Long before tomatoes ever crossed the ocean, the light soup was made clear and peppery from what the forest gave: ginger and fire and bone. Then the trade winds turned. Cassava and the tomato both arrived from across the Atlantic, carried on Portuguese ships nearly 4 centuries ago. The Ashanti took these strangers, the starchy root, the red fruit, and folded them into a far older way of eating. The ingredients changed. The rhythm of the mortar did not. Today, fufu and light soup is the Sunday meal of Ghana. It is eaten with the right hand, a soft piece pinched, dipped, and swallowed whole, never chewed, so the flavor of the soup lingers. It is the food of welcome, of family, of the long, slow afternoon. To be handed a bowl is to be counted as kin. Rest the pale mound of fufu in the bowl. Ladle the red gold soup around it until it floats there like an island. Let the steam curl up and the scent of ginger fill the room. Fufu and light soup is the rarest kind of recipe, one that has survived kingdoms and oceans and the long reach of history. It survives because it was never trying to be impressive. It was only trying to feed the people who loved it and to gather them, hand to bowl, around one warm and shining pot. And the table, at last, is set.